Nnamdi Kanu prophecy wey enter Nigeria, Kenya and UK. E don come to pass. So as we dey talk right now, Nnamdi Kanu give them message and say, if you people continue supporting Nigeria to suppress the Biafran people, he said that the UK a heavy protest go break out from there. We go make, as in UK will be destroyed. And wetin he talk for this particular message. He also tell the Kenyans that the Kias will visit them, and he also tell Nigerians that revolution will also hit them hard. Everything this man talk don't come to pass. Nigerians, I want you people to stand up. As you are protesting, tell your government to leave this man to go. Leave this man to go. Remember that before Nnamdi Kanu, you can manage yourself. But since the Nigeria government kidnapped this man from Kenya, Nigeria have been gone from zero to wars. My people, now so if you I go play the video, may you watch. But before we go inside that video, welcome back to Please do not forget to share this video as it dey hot you. Yeah, my people, as that one dey happen, the PM of Biafra government in exile, Ekpa, don't come outside. They can't tell the Biafrans people, say may they no worry for this protest. Say the Biafra are getting ready to march as he want declare the state of Biafra. Come on November. He say may they no worry. Say that time Nigeria go know say they don't arrive. As that one they happen, they say that the Niger Delta militant don't come outside. They can't talk say all the whole local government where they for Niger Delta say they want take over from tomorrow as he debut. My people, a lot of these are going on as we they talk right now. Nigerians don't reject waiting to Nnamdi talk, say they don't need them. So we'll go play the video of Nnamdi Kanu prophecy before we come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch this video.
The extent whereby you are presenting a stumbling block to the emancipation of the children of God, the children of light, United Kingdom will be decimated. Because you're very proud and very arrogant, because you think that you're Caucasian, you're white, you can do anything and get away with it. You may think that the disintegration of the UK has nothing to do with Biafra, but I can assure you categorically that it has. If you do not stop meddling in Nigeria, if you do not stop this, your, should I say, perverted, racist devotion to keeping people who shouldn't be one together in one monstrous entity called the Zoological Republic of Nigeria, believe you me, God Almighty in heaven will destroy Britain beyond recognition. And it started to happen already. And I warned Britain, if you continue to meddle in the affairs of Nigeria to the extent whereby you are presenting a stumbling block to the emancipation of the children of God, the children of light, United Kingdom will be decimated. Because you're very proud and very arrogant, because you think that you're Caucasian, you're white, you can do anything and get away with it. You may think that the disintegration of the UK has nothing to do with Biafra, but I can assure you categorically that it has.
Okay, my wonderful people, here is the message Ekpa get for Nigeria government and Biafrans as well.
Today, why Nigeria are killing...
Okay, my wonderful people, and here is what the ex-militant for inside Niger Delta talk. May you watch the video. Where make Nigeria government don't talk say anywhere where they see them, may they catch them, can't give them, watch the video.
The Rivers State Police Command has declared former Niger Delta militant leader Gabriel General Asabuja wanted following his alleged provocative statements in a viral video amidst the ongoing crisis in the state.
Today is 15th Saturday. So I am back from the river, back from the beach, preparing. We are about to take over the local government by Wednesday. But because Monday, Tuesday is public holiday, so we are about taking over the council. All the 23 local government, we are about to take over. So make them wait for us with the come. DSS, police, I beg more than no vest. We they stand, they fight for our right. I beg more than no vest. I no go stop. I need to kill anybody and nobody go kill me. But if you come to kill me, I go kill you. If you come to fight me, I go fight you. If you say that me and you are ready, I no go back. But sin, we go work with sin. We go follow sin. I don't give signal to my soldier to all the 23 local government. we don't take over. Now my commander for Faga, we don't take over. I said, Tolu commander, all of them, everybody, I don't give order. Ogoni, they there. Solomon, they were there to be in duty. He know what to do. As a member of MEND, movement of Niger Delta. If I no get soldier, no be 6,000 soldiers, no be 10,000 soldiers. I get enough. So anybody where they come where they say they come my house, prepare to kill people. Prepare to beat everybody because it go belleful us. The police will go support the former people, not bad police. Any police or any military, any force will support them, not bad people.
The police stated that they had invited him, but he refused to honor the invitation, and they are now on the lookout for him. Listen to the Rivers State Commissioner of Police, Tunji Disu.
That video caused a lot of panic in the state. It gave a lot of concern to everybody, even out of the state. I want to assure you that we are not going to take kindly to that. We have put in actions in motion. We will get him at the appropriate time. We have gotten a lot of people of his kind. You cannot come, prepare videos, and start firing and threatening people not to move around and do what they are expected to do in the town and expect the police to fold their hands. We are working towards it. We have invited him. He has refused to come, and they will do what we are supposed to do. We are looking out for him.
So is he a wanted man in your books?
That is correct. He's wanted. That is correct.
So General Asabuja is wanted by the Nigerian police force in Rivers State?
That I confirm to you.
Okay, my wonderful people. No be smart, you know. Now say we be and now say ma bring and come share una. You know say this Nnamdi Kanu. Now people we do not know. Only 7 of them in Southeast, in Nigeria, in Africa's home, 7 of them, and they are ready to speak out and to speak the truth. But Nnamdi Kanu happens to be the one they send down to Southeast to liberate his own people, and the Nigerian government think that can turn him and shut up his mouth. Everything he said will come to pass. For your information, if you have not gotten your Somalia visa, please do get your Somalia visa and passport, because you will get to a point when every man will come outside to defend his right. This is where we are heading to. There is no two ways about it. The Nigerian government cannot suppress the people anymore, any longer. They cannot. I have so many videos I'll bring for you. See how Nigeria are guarding doors to disrupt a protest. So you have seen it. It's happening in Port Harcourt. It's happening in Rivers State. The Niger Deltas have spoken out. They will talk about the local government. This government are not for them. And you see everywhere there is panic. Everywhere is shivering because of what is happening. So I want you to share this video and make sure say they follow up for everything where they happen.